Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I have a special event planned for all of our viewers. The great folks over at Ringke, truly outstanding company. They're real people like you and I. I've been in contact with them, and they could not be nicer. They're excited as we are, right? So we teamed up with Ringke. I have their full lineup of cases here in this nice box that they presented for a brand kit, so to speak, for some YouTube channels. This is for all these cases in here are for the S24 Ultra. So for a celebration of the launch of the S24 Ultra, we, meaning Ringke and eSIM Studios, are going to give away free cases. That's correct, free cases. And I am going to pay for the shipping. Let's open this up, shall we? Yeah. Here's what you can get. Now, real quick, we are going to schedule this for a few days. Not doing it now. It's going to be a live stream. I'm going to schedule, I believe, over the weekend, maybe Sunday. But stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to put a community post out, or multiple community posts on our community page, and then I might upload another video or two describing when we're going to schedule it, but should be over the weekend in the next few days. Stay tuned. This is a teaser, right? So, you got the full lineup here. We got a little goodies in there. The review kit, YouTube review kit, yes. So, what cool items do we have in here? Well, let's check them out. We have the smart magnet ring. I said, well, hold up. That shows an iPhone on the front. Yeah, that's true. But they have a case here, if you didn't know. Oh, they got so many good cases. Let me find it. It actually has a MagSafe magnet on the back. So if you have car accessories, if you have a smart ring MagSafe magnet, compare it to this, right? That would be one of the. Now I'm going to put these two together. Whoever wins this case, I'm going to win both of them, or whoever wins this magnet will win the case, right? However you want to say it. This is the Fusion Bold Magnet Galaxy S24 Ultra in matte black with this. What else we got? We have the Fusion Galaxy S24 Fusion Clear. Kind of hard to see because it's clear, but you get the idea. We also have this is their most popular case. Go on Amazon, check out the Fusion X Camo. This is their most popular case, probably, I think, of all time. Right, so that'll be a hot one right there. Got camo, clear camo kind of look. Very protective. We also have the Onyx Magnetic. Cool. So it's got I guess I'm assuming a magnet in there for another MagSafe. Black colored Onyx Magnetic for the S24 Ultra. That'll be given away. We also got Onyx for the Galaxy S24. And this is the regular Onyx. This is the magnet Onyx in black. This is the regular Onyx, no magnet, just the blue Onyx case for the S24 Ultra. That'll be given away. And we have the Fusion Matte Clear. Now, I like this one. Y'all know I don't like clear cases, but this one is different. This one's different. Ringke sets this one apart from all the other clear cases because it has a matte textured back. Sort of like the same look, or not look, but same feel as the Pixel 8 Pro, right? This one will not collect fingerprints. It has a matte back that is sort of see-through. That'll be given away. And then we got one left. And that one left is the Fusion X. Nice see-through, just like the camo one, except this is clear and not camo, right? Very, very cool. These are very protective. Most popular case. I've purchased countless of these for a number of my devices. So we got a good, nice collection lineup here giveaway. Now you will have to join us on the live stream to win these. I'm gonna run a contest through Streamyard in the chat, right? If you're driving, watching the live stream like I do a lot, pull over so you can participate in the contest. So more news on the way. Please be on the lookout, and you could possibly win a free case for your brand new S24 Ultra. Ringke, thank you so much. You know, I really appreciate it. And we will make an awesome live stream together. Stay tuned, guys. Peace.